you doing, my friend? Keenith here with the last day of the no solid food fast. Guys, it's been phenomenal. Been getting some great results. I feel great. To see the results, that's one big thing for me. The results, man, is just like, wow. When you put your mind to something, you can really make it happen. I weighed in this morning. I was at 194. Now, you know, when I started the challenge here, I was at 202. So I lost a total of 8 pounds. Wow. 8 pounds in 7 days. Okay. Again, allowing the body to just do what it needs to do. Cutting the visceral fat. The visceral fats come down. Make sure you subscribe to my channels. I'll be giving you updates. I will have before and after pictures later on, okay? Because I want to get the results. I want to shred this body down, get all that fat off of it, and I can start to build some muscle. But I want to, first things first, take care of the health. The visceral fat has to go. So I'm going to continue on this journey. I'm going to start adding the solid foods into it, meaning, you know, solid fruits and vegetables. Again, I can't wait to get to the collard greens, the things that I'm growing in the garden. The okra, oh man, I can't wait, okay? But again, it's going to be one meal a day. That's all I'm doing, one meal a day. And that should keep me pretty stable. Well, it'll continue to burn the fat because I'll still be fasting. So I will eat I will have a window of about 2 to 4 hours. The rest, no food. Okay, so I'm still fasting. So that allows my body to tap into those fat stores. Like when I went on this challenge, 7 days, nothing but juice, it allowed my body to tap into the fat, the visceral fat mainly. Okay. Also, what it did for me is the sleep. Oh my goodness. You can see here on the screen. Look at my sleep number, guys. It's going up to 85. Every day that I have been juicing, my sleep has been constantly going up where I have solid, sound sleep. I wake up refreshed. I mean, when you can go to bed and you put your covers on, and when you wake up, the covers are in the same place. I'm like, whoa. Like, you know, you having problems sleeping, you know, covers everywhere. You're tossing and turning. But solid sleep. Isn't it amazing? If you give your body what it needs, it performs the way it should perform. Wow. Okay. So we're talking about, you know, visceral fat going away, guys. That's how I'm doing it. Okay. I want to be an example to show others how you can do this. Now, again, it does take some sacrifice, but is it worth it to live longer, live a healthier life, live a productive life? I would say yes. Okay. Also, don't forget to get the book, How Not to Die. Tapping into the health, guys. The fruits and vegetables is where it is. Fruits and vegetables is where it is. I've cut out the meats, of course, because again, I just want to do what I need to do to make my body as healthy as possible. Also, for the men, women too, but men definitely go out and get your physicals once a year. Get your blood work done so you know what's going on the inside. Okay, because you look like you're healthy doesn't mean you're healthy on the inside. So get that blood work done so you can see what you need to work on. But yeah, guys, I want this for everyone. I want people to live a healthy life, but it's a decision. You could choose to do either or. Put the wrong things in your body, you know, eating for taste. Oh, I want it to taste good. Okay, continue to put that stuff in your body and you're going to pay for it later. Trust me, you're going to pay for it later and you're going to wish you have made that decision to put the right things in your body. Wow. So this is my lifelong journey. Again, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be talking about more health topics, you know, things you can do to hopefully benefit you in your health journey. Also, you can subscribe to our Facebook channel. Our Facebook channel, you can see I have a link there in the description for our Facebook group where you can tap in there. I give advice from doctors, scientists, people who have really done the research, and you can hear that education from them. And I always tell people, don't just take people's word for it. Try it for yourself and see your results. That's what I did. Remember, I watched the documentary, What the Health, because my LDL levels were a little elevated. And all because I changed my diet, my whole blood work changed. LDLs went down. I'm like, whoa. all from eating plants, fruits, vegetables. Are you kidding me? Yeah. So I found out for myself. I didn't just take people's word for it. I said, let me try it, see what works for me. And it worked. Just like I'm doing with the visceral fat. Been watching visceral fat on my midsection for years. Finally made a decision. So you know what? I'm going to get rid of this visceral fat. It's going to take some sacrifice, but I'm going to do it. And look at my visceral fat is going down. I'm still in that obese range, about to hit the next range, which is not really healthy, but it's getting closer. And I'm going to continue to work on it, and it's going to happen. It's going to happen, guys. I'm determined. Okay? So again, this is my last day. I want to give you guys an update. Hope you guys' day is going well. And here's to your health. Okay? So with that, I'm going to see you guys at the top, not from the top, because you, and I do mean you, deserve the best. Take care. God bless.